Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Nissan Maxima tail light. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Having a clean cloth handy is also a good idea to protect surfaces and keep components clean during the process. These simple items will make the job much easier and help prevent any damage. Next, let's access the tail light assembly from inside the trunk. Open your trunk and find the small access panel on the side where the tail light is located. Gently remove any trunk liner or carpet that might be covering the area. This will reveal the mounting bolts and electrical connectors. Make sure to disconnect all electrical connections before proceeding to the next step. Now it's time to remove the fasteners holding the tail light in place. You'll typically find 2 or 3 Phillips head screws that need to be unscrewed. There might also be a few plastic clips. Use your flathead screwdriver or trim tool to carefully pry these out. Double-check that all screws and clips are completely removed before attempting to pull the tail light assembly free. Finally, with all fasteners removed, you can now gently detach the tail light. Carefully pull the assembly straight out from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug due to weather stripping or alignment pins, so a steady, even pull is best. Be cautious of any last-minute wiring or clips. Once free, place the tail light in a safe spot to prevent any accidental damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.